Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about gauge visual. So there's the gauge visual. So I'm going to just click on this object, and it is added in our canvas space here. So I'll use the same requirement, and I'll put the values here. So what is our requirement? That sales amount based on the region and category. We have to show, or we have to display the sales amount and profit amount. So what I'm going to select, I'm going to select sales amount. Then we have region, we have category and the products table, and then the profit amount. So see this is the gauge visual. So it is showing the data, right? It is displaying the data. So like if okay, so if I say that what is gauge visual or gauge chart, it is a gauge chart in Power BI. It is a circular graph. You could see this is circular graph used to display a single values relative to a so uh, in Power BI, gauge chart is a gauge chart in Power BI is a circular graph. You could see this is the circular graph used to, and it used to display single values relative to a target. Okay, and it's designed like a speedometer. Here you could see this, that it's designed like a speedometer, and it's best for measuring progress or performance toward a specific goal. Okay, and you might have seen this kind of gauge chart, like whenever you want to check the credit ratio, by the time also it shows this type of gauge chart. Or else say if you want to see the high risk, medium risk, and low risk, so by the time also you might have seen this type of chart. So this is called gauge chart. Let's say gauge chart which looks like a speedometer. Now question may come that when to use gauge chart. So whenever you want to show the performance versus target data, like you have the sales amount and versus goal. So you have achieved the sales amount, and then versus goal. So you can use this gauge chart, and at that time you can use this gauge chart. Whenever you are tracking a single KPIs, by the time also you can use this gauge chart. Whenever you want to visually like appealing and quickly glance metric for dashboards, by the time also you can use this gauge chart. Now question may come that why to use gauge chart, right? So I would why to use gauge chart. So I would mention 2 or 3 points here, that why to use gauge chart. So like I would say that it is very simple and intuitive for non-technical audience, and instantly common, and it really works well in executive summaries or overview reports. So for these two regions, like I would suggest that you can use gauge chart. Now here also I would say that what could be the best data for gauge chart, right? So I would say that whenever you want actual value, like you want to show the one actual value, by the time you can use it, like current revenue you want to show. So by the time you can use it, one target value, like you have the specific target, and you like revenue, like whenever you have one target value, like revenue goal, by the time also you can use gauge chart. So I was saying that if you want to set the max on target values, so you can select this object and click here on format your visual, and when you click, then you would see in this gauge axis. So when you click on gauge axis, so you will have the two options, max and target. So as per your requirement, you can set the values over here. Numeric values you can put it here, and also you can put the numeric values to set the target and maximum values, right? So this is how you can use the gauge chart. This color also you can change it, this color also you can change it. So to change the colors, like we have here color, and you can select the color from here, or else like you can click on more colors and you can choose the color. So if I select this color, so it would be this color, filled color, and this is the target color, whatever the target color you want to set, right? So this is how you can modify, you can use format visuals as per the need, as per the requirement, and like we have multiple general properties also, you can use it. So this is all about gauge chart. I hope the concept is clear, when to use, how to use, and like what are the best suitable data for gauge chart, that also we discussed. So I hope the concept is clear, and I would request you to please do the hands-on on this gauge chart, and let's meet in next video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.